Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna learn how to turn on your dark mode on your Snapchat. The method is very simple. In today's video, first of all you need to open your Snapchat. Then we will discuss how you can turn on the dark mode. So here we opening the app, then go to settings, open your profile, go to settings, and little bit scroll and click on app appearance, and here we go, always dark. Click on the always dark button, then you go with dark mode. So here is the result in front of you. This is a very simple method. You can turn on your dark mode on your Android phone. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.